This is the no wires cut canvas immobiliser on a 2018 Q7. So a thief's got your key, they go to drive off. When they select a gear, you're going to see it just go straight back into park. As you can see. For the customer, pop the code in that they choose, hear a melody, and now they can select their gear and the vehicle remains running. If they don't want to use a code, they can pair a connected phone through Bluetooth with an adjustable range, like we've done here. So with the Bluetooth on, phone can be in their pocket, just start the vehicle. Hear a melody, we can drive away. Simple as that. So once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Immobiliser, which is a no wires cut, standard can blocking system. And if a thief was to try and steal your key, as you saw, the vehicle just won't go into gear. So reverse, straight back into park, drive, straight back into park, until you put your code in. Give us a call to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.